Pretty.
Leave that there, you children.
Aw, but it's a pretty flower.
It is pretty, but what would all the bees and butterflies and birds have without them?
Huh?
If everybody picks all the flowers from the park, there won't be any left for the wildlife.
Oh. Hey, please stop! You're mashing up all the pretty flowers. Without all the flowers, there'll be nothing left for the birds and the bees and the butterflies. This island and all of its nature is our home. It's up to us to protect it. You tell him, Claire.